Hey guys, let's check out Uttita Parsvakonasana or side angle pose. So your legs are going to be in warrior two legs. Back foot parallel to the back edge of your mat, legs switched on. Front toes pointing forward with your heel dissecting the inner arch of your back foot. Sink down so that your knee is aiming to be over your ankle and isn't shooting over. Now your right elbow, my right leg's forward, so my right elbow, comes down to your thigh and press out. So I'm not dumping into my shoulder, pressing out here. A gentle squeeze of your back body so your heart is proud. Now swing your left arm in front, up and over. So that forward swing gets a different rotation in your shoulder blade, and you can feel it when you come up and over. Your shoulder blade's in a different position, makes it a bit more pinchy. So swing in front, reach up, palm is down, and you're looking for a long line from the outer edge of your back foot up to your fingertip. Now you can look down to the earth if that feels better, or your vision can travel to your fingertips. Keep pressing out of your front shoulder, activate that back leg, and that is your side angle pose. There are variations that come with it. You can dive a little deeper, but we'll leave that for your practice and your teacher.